We now go to Pia Bonalo. She is at Canto 5 in Pasay City. Good morning, Pia.
Hi, good morning, Amelin. If you are looking to feast on local cuisine, there's a quaint little restaurant here in Malibay that will satisfy that craving. To top off that meal, they also have delicious halo-halo that is sure to quench the summer heat. With me is owner Edward Cinco of Canto 5 to tell us all about it. Hi, good morning, Edward.
Hi, good morning.
Can you tell me, ano ba itong meron sa Canto 5? Ano bang mga ino-offer niyong klaseng pagkain?
Well, we have the very typical Filipino dishes like the binagoong manok, the bopis, and the sisig.
Ang napansin ko, pagpasok mo dito, parang you're transformed to another time. Can you tell me about the interiors first of the place?
Okay, we have the old Manila style because we already have the very typical restaurant here in Manila. So what we decided is that to have the old Manila style, which is the old Filipino style houses.
Napansin ko, parang medyo mismatch yung mga decors, but they all work together. Saan mo nabili yung mga decors na ginamit mo for your restaurant?
Well, kapag nag-travel kami from north to the south, kung saan kami makikita may tinitimber na bahay, so binibili namin isa-isa yun, kinokollect namin, then we use it as our furniture here in Canto 5.
Ang ganda how you set up the restaurant, and you wouldn't think that it would be selling very affordable food. Can you tell me about your food? Tulad na sinabi mo, meron kayong binagoongang manok. Parang first time ko ito marinig. Ano bang binagoongang manok?
Binagoongan chicken is the most famous food in Ilocania. So they actually made it from bagoong and the chicken itself.
Ah, okay. Sounds really delicious. And ito, favorite to ng madaming mga, especially those men who would want to feast, lalo na paggabi. Ano ba tong bopis natin?
Yeah, a bopis is actually made from the heart, lungs, and liver. So it's a combination of the intestine of the pork.
At nakikita ko parang malalaki talaga yung mga sili. Ano ba, extra spicy ba ito?
Super spicy.
Wow, super spicy, so not for the faint-hearted. And another favorite, ito, lahat ng tao talagang gustong-gusto to. Never mind your diet if you want sisig. Anong napaka-special about your sisig?
Well, not a very typical sisig because we called it a crispy sisig. It has the face and the ears of the pig itself. So, and meron siyang special ingredients.
Na hindi mo i-reveal.
Yeah.
Okay, and then of course, another favorite para sa mga medyo health conscious, mga gusto ng pinakbet. Maraming recipes ng pinakbet from different parts of the country. Saan galing, anong recipe to?
Yan originated yan sa Bulacan. Ang tawag namin yan is pakbet from Bulacan. So meron yang pork and bagoong isda.
Wow, sounds really delicious. And of course, ito rin, very spicy, I'm sure, ang laing.
Laing. Ginataang laing. So it has a coconut milk, the pork, and the vegetable itself, laing.
And of course, dun naman sa mga nagda-diet talaga at gusto nila salad lang. Can you tell me about this salad?
What we call the insaladang talong. It has the tomato and the onion, plus the talong itself.
And then meron din tayong napakasarap na fish and leche flan. But what I know is, ang napaka-best seller talaga ninyo is your halo-halo. Can you tell me about this?
We have the not so typical halo-halo, the one that we buy outside the street. The composition of this one is the minatamis na saging, the sago, and I forgot the one. Yeah.
But then this one, may mangga. Ano ba to? Can you tell me about this one naman?
Yan yung bago naming product dito sa Canto 5, ang mango flan. It's a fresh mango and the leche flan itself.
Wow, sounds really good. Thank you so much for sharing this with us this morning, Edward.
Thank you.
There you have it, Edward Cinco telling us about the local fare that you could see here in Canto 5. Jing, Amelin?
Thank you, Pia.